My Google Classroom. Video number 3, why to integrate Google Classroom. In today's changing world, students need to leave school with a set of technological skills that can help them compete in the world's job market. For teachers, there's a free, fantastic resource that can help give students those skills. Google Classroom. Here are some of the most important reasons why teachers should give it a try. Number 1, exposure to an online learning platform. Unfortunately, many students have never had any experience with online education. That's why you really want to make sure to give your students as much exposure to it as possible at a young age. Google Classroom is an easy way to help students with this transition because it's super user-friendly, making it a great intro to technology. Number 2, easy access to materials. Because everything is posted online, Google Classroom gives student access to materials no matter where they are. Students who are absent can easily access classroom materials from home if necessary. This can really help save both you and your students a lot of stress in the long run. Number 3, differentiation. With GC, you can give out assignments on a more individual basis and really reach out to certain students as well. You can even split everyone into groups that you think they will be able to work the best in. Google Classroom is a great, flexible way to ensure that every student gets just what they need, and you can easily delete and recreate classes as you see fit. Number 4, less paper. When used to run an entire class, Google Classroom can virtually get rid of paper consumption. As long as students have access to the internet, all classwork can be handled online. This means no copies and ultimately less money for your district. Number 5, no lost work. Since students are usually working in Google Drive, everything saves automatically and excuses dwindle. With a few short lessons concerning how to properly use these online tools, students can experience more success getting organized. Number 6, engagement. Google Classroom can help students become and stay engaged in the learning process. If you have students answer questions in classroom, for example, other students can comment on these answers and deepen thought for both students. Number 7, getting feedback easily. Providing meaningful feedback to students is a valuable part of all learning. Within the grading tool of Classroom, teachers can send feedback to each student on assignment. Number 8, data analysis. In order to make learning meaningful, teachers should analyze data from assessments to ensure students are understanding learning objectives. Data from assessments can easily be exported into sheets for sorting and analysis. Overall, using Google Classroom is definitely worthwhile. It can save you a lot of time and energy and can help you to better prepare your students for the future. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.